Hello, I'm Carla Gaeta, owner and lead designer of Gemini Design Group, a full-service kitchen and bath design company located in Bernardsville, New Jersey. Welcome to one of my latest completed projects. By taking out the dining room wall, it's become a kitchen, dining room, living room, open floor plan. We created the range area that has plenty of space to the island with a custom hood and beautiful tile detail. This island unifies the whole space. We were able to get extra storage underneath the island, leg details on either side of the range, the valance over the sink that bridges between the wall cabinets, and of course, all of the custom panels around the island. Thank you for watching. Look for more videos on our YouTube channel through the website www.geminidg.com. Look forward to working with you, your family and friends. Dream, design, live.